The topic of our group project is connecting learners in rural areas using wireless communication. My name is Yang Dian. This is my groupmate Sun Menghan and Yang Hang. Our supervisor is Professor Zhang Yingjun Angela. First of all, let me introduce the background of our project. Due to the limitation of teaching resources and internet connectivity, students in rural areas can barely get enough education, so IEEE Academic intends to provide e-learning resources to those students. Our project is to propose a proper solution. First of all, IEEE Academic currently offers free educational multimedia materials online, so the precondition of our project is that we can contact with IEEE periodically and fetch those learning materials and course contents. Here comes a solution. Our solution roughly includes three parts: server side, client side, and the connection between these two sides. For server side, we have one portable repository which includes the server and the web application e-learning system. For client side, is any mobile device for users. And for the connection between these two sites, we use Wi-Fi as our wireless communication approach. And for implementation, we have 5 steps. The first step is server setup. We choose everything on one server to be our server implementation approach. We set up Apache, PHP, and MySQL servers on one computer. And the second step is the database design. We contact with IEEE Academic this semester, but unfortunately we didn't receive the database format. Therefore, we design our own database. Our database is designed to be able to store all course information and user information, adapt to website growth, cater for future requirements, and improve the quality and the consistency of information. Here is the database design. Till now, we have 10 tables, and the left 4 tables store course information, and the right 5 tables store the user information, and this table, the learn table, stores the study progress of students. And then Sun Menghan will introduce the following implementation.
For the third step, we have built a fully interactive e-learning system, including videos, quizzes, homework, and forms functions. Based on the website we wrote last semester, we added the admin panel and the Q&A section. We wrote the UI of our website. This is the new structure of our website. Now I will demo it to you. This is the home page of our website. You can find a search bar and some recommended courses here. Now, let's try it. First, register an account. And then log in. Now you can enroll some new courses. After enrollment, you can learn the first chapter. There is a video. You can see it full screen. And you can click to download the video by click the link, and then there is a quiz. Only if you pass the quiz you can step on the next chapter. And this course has a homework. You can download it and submit your homework after finish it. Also, you can read some questions here. And other students or tutors can reply it. It will show here. Now let's do the quiz and go to the next chapter. The My Profile page will show the courses enrolled and the questions asked. Now you can see, you can go to the next chapter. We have wrote a admin panel so that even the admin know nothing about coding. He can add courses to the system if he has the videos. There is an admin account we set before. After logging in, our system will automatically go to the admin panel. And he can change password, or add new courses, edit it, or remove it. For the course content, he can also add new chapters, edit it, remove it, add new quizzes, and the homeworks here. Also, the admin can check the progress of the students. He can know the courses the student is learning and the scores. This is all about our website. Now my partner Yanhao will show the other part to you.
During our contact with IEEE Academic, they have shown their concerns in web security of this project. And we also realize that the web security is very important in web application development, as there are risks in leaking users' privacy and confidential information, such as the passwords saved in our database. So we researched on several significant vulnerabilities that are commonly exploited. And the OWASP is an online community which creates freely available methodologies and technologies in the field of web application security. Our project focused on the most critical vulnerability types released by OWASP recently, including cross-site scripting and parameter tampering, SQL injection, and cross-site request forgery. To prevent the listed vulnerabilities, we have applied the corresponding solutions in our web application and greatly reduced the risks from malicious users. In addition to the above vulnerabilities, we also implemented authentication and authorization methodologies in user login and logout features. PHP sessions and cookies with hash token are used to prevent brute force attack and increase in security. Instead of storing password in plain text as we did in the last semester, we improved the password encryption algorithm by using standard hash functions with random sort, which is generally accepted nowadays. For the wireless communication, we use a server laptop as a Wi-Fi transmitter to send out ad hoc Wi-Fi signals. and allow other mobile devices to connect to the server. In this case, even if the whole system, including the server laptop, is out of internet connectivity, the students are still able to access the e-learning websites by this wireless connection. So, in a conclusion, we have fully implemented the whole interactive e-learning system. We truly hope in the future our project is able to cooperate with IEEE Academic, fetch their course contents to enrich our database and establish our project in those rural areas and make our own efforts to help in spreading elementary education. That's all. Thank you.